How to fix you require permission from administrators to make changes. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this problem. So if you're trying to do any changes on your files, but it says it requires permissions from administrator, what you're going to have to do is select the folder that's causing the issue and then right click on it. You're going to have to head over to properties. Once you land on the properties page, simply head over to the security tab. And then from here, you just need to make sure that you are going to have to go to advanced. And then from here, make sure that you enable the inheritance. So from here, click on remove all inherited permissions and convert inherited permissions to explicit permissions. Now, once you have enabled, click on apply and then OK, and try making the change again. If that doesn't work, right click on it again, go to properties again. Now this time head over to security tab, and then you're going to have to edit the access username. Click on edit. Now if you want to add other people, you can click on add, and then from here just type in your username. I have my username right here, and then click on check names. It will go ahead and check name and click on OK. Now, once that is done, you should be able to go ahead and click on OK, and you should be good to go. If you don't see this, you can just type in everyone here and then click on check names again. It will edit this and then click on OK. Once you do that, you should be able to make changes again. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.